Unlike in previous years, the Income Tax Department has released the forms for the current assessment year on 1st April itself. Does that mean that you should file your return right away? The answer, unfortunately, is still no. Why? For a couple of reasons. One is that if you're an employee, your employer will release your Form 16 typically in the first week of June, and that is where you'll get your details about your salary, allowances, etc. The second reason is that a lot of your information related to, for example, high value share transactions, mutual fund transactions, cash deposits, and so on, are captured in the annual information statement and, of course, the SFT, the statement of financial transactions. And all of that takes a few weeks to update after 31st March. So you will not get an updated data in the system, in the annual information statement, the AIS, and there will be a mismatch between the returns that you file and the returns in the AIS, which will trigger a notice. So despite the forms being released, and it is a good thing because it lets you find out what you have to fill, you should ideally wait for mid-June to start filing your income tax returns. You still have enough time. The due date for individual taxpayers is 31st July. There are some reasons why some people might still want to file their returns in April or May itself. The biggest reason is refunds. So, for example, if you are an NRI, you might have a 30% tax deducted at source or TDS on some of your incomes. Or if you have remitted money abroad, you might have a 20% TCS or tax collected at source on the money that you've remitted. In these cases, it might make a substantial difference to your finances to get a quick refund on the tax that's been cut. Of course, in this kind of situation, just be aware that you may still have to file a revised return before 31st December in case there is a mismatch between the return that you have filed and the AIS or any of the other documents that the government provides.